Welcome to my toilet room. I am going to paint this tiny toilet room and do a few extra things to make it look good. So these work very well, and they look snazzy. Please don't make a mess. No. Oh no. My bad. I'm redoing the floors soon anyway. I can make as big a mess as I want. It's so small and cramped in here. Sanded down the wood filler that I put into the knots, so everything's nice and smooth again, and now I'm going to put a coat of primer. I painted everything gray. There's still a few touch-ups I need to do, but I'm gonna have two shelves. And I need to figure out where I want them to go, not only because I need to drill holes, but I'm also going to be painting something different between the two shelves. I need to know where that is. Alright, I've got tape so I can figure out where I want the shelves. The toilet is right out of sight. So does that mean is this whole thing wood? What do you mean by edge? I don't actually know how to use this. Okay, I'll figure that out next. This is approximately where I want my two shelves, I think. It can't all be an edge. Well, you said there was one there before. Did you lie? I feel like I'm using it right. I also feel like it's got an attitude. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. I talked to my dad on how to actually use this and watched some more videos. Plus, I'm gonna do the good old, just use my knuckle and ear, because I need to find a place on the wall that has no stud, or else this messes up. It sounds like there's wood right here. I think there is. My knuckle hurts. Okay, there's definitely wood right here. I feel like this should not be difficult. feel like that might not be wood. Here's the plan. I do not think I drilled into wood or a stud. I think it's just drywall, but I'm not putting anything heavy on the shelves. So like the shelves itself are the only thing that's going to add much weight. I'm just going to use the little expander things and put those into the drywall, put a screw into that, and I think that will be good enough. That one might actually be even. I think there's wood behind that one. All right. Now to tape and paint that section and worry about if I did this correctly later. If you've ever painted something, taken off the tape, and it's not that straight of a line because the paint seeps underneath it, if you paint the original wall color first and let that dry, then if anything seeps under the paint, it's gonna be this color and it will block the new color from going under the tape, so that when you take the tape off after your second color, it will be a much straighter line than it would have been. For the white that I'm putting on the wall and the shelves, I'm using the same white I used on my terrazzo wall, and I think I'll have enough. I got Bare Premium Plus, and it's called Frost, and it's satin, along with all the other paint I'm using. One coat is done on this. It's gonna need a second. I'm gonna go paint the shelves, which have 2 coats of primer, so it should only need 1 of this because it's already white. I'm going to paint the same terrazzo design that I did out in the main part of the bathroom in this section right here. Let's do this. The secret to doing terrazzo is just to paint random shapes and then fill them in. That's all. Same as last time I did this. I paint it with a tiny brush, and then I get a slightly bigger tiny brush to fill it in so it goes a little bit faster. But when you're drawing the outside of the shape, it helps to have as small a brush as possible so that you can get more detail with it. Terrazzo is done, which always makes me happy. 1, because I love it. And 2, because it takes forever to do. And by the end of it, my body is like, please stop. My next thing is to hang the brackets for the shelves, which I've never actually done. And I drilled the holes earlier. I hope they're straight, at least straight enough that things aren't gonna like roll off the shelf, but I'm not gonna be putting like marbles on there or anything, so I should be fine. These are what I'm using. This part will be on the wall and I'm gonna try to hide it so that as much as it can, it will look like a floating shelf. We'll see how that goes. It's level. All right, this side needs the little expanders. No, it's breaking. Does that mean that the hole's not big enough or that these are cheap crap? I don't know. Oh, you're smushing. Don't smush. Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. Alright, I tried to make the hole a little bit bigger. I'm gonna try again. I wonder when the first project is gonna be that I just feel completely confident in what I'm doing. Alright, those are solid. I'm sorry, it's my right hand. It's just not as good. Talked to my dad. I'm really happy with how the ones in the wood went in. These I'm a little bit more skeptical about, but I think they'll do. I'm just gonna screw them into this side so that like this is getting the brunt of activity, and then I'll just like let it lay on this side. I drilled the holes, hopefully in the right spot. Oh yeah. Gosh. Oh, hello. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Ow, my face. I'm fine. I'm gonna take a breather and then final touches. My bathroom is still small, but it looks good. Though I did just realize that most of the time I'm in here, my back is going to be to the pretty wall and I'm just going to be staring at a sad gray wall. So maybe that'll be a future project, something to entertain me while I'm in here. You should do all of these things because it would help me out, it would make me happy. And say hi in the comments because I love talking to you guys and getting to know you. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm not ending that way. Okay, bye. Is this awkward? I know it is. If you're wondering why I have to work on projects alone, maybe this is why.